Hi, I welcome you all to Skill Expo Master Course, and this video will give you a clear idea of how to crack UPDA MMUP Civil Examination, that too on your first attempt. And I would like to introduce myself. I'm Divya Mohan, Doctor Research Scholar from NIT, and your subject, that is civil subject, will be handled by 6 major experts, and I would like to introduce them to you all. Mr. Manihandra Prabhu will be handling project management. Ms. Sivahama Sundari will be handling structural analysis, and I myself will be handling geotechnical engineering. Janani will be handling transportation engineering, Ms. Neerajakshi will be handling environmental engineering, and Ms. Niraimadi will be handling hydrology. And I would like to give you some idea that why you should enroll in Skill Explore Master Course and what are the advantage you will be getting. First of all, you will be provided with recorded video version of all the subjects and all the category of what we are taking. Okay, and you'll be provided with relevant e-materials according to the sessions, and you'll be provided with 63 model live tests. That is nothing but just a replica of what your examination will be. Your examination will be handling will be having 27 questions. So we also providing 27 questions on each module, and this is a multiple choice question. You have to answer a single, you have to select the correct answer in it. Okay, so that it will be giving you a exact idea of what your examination will be. Okay, and we are providing a live quiz. Live quiz is nothing but after every session of a subject, you will be given a relevant question so that you have to answer that. So you will be getting a good connection over the subject. And we are covering a complete syllabus, and this syllabus is framed based upon the previous year questions. That is from 2014 onwards. We are scrutinizing all the questions, and based on the question, we have categorized the syllabus, and we are taking the syllabus to you. Okay, so you don't want to worry about what the questions and what are the syllabus you have to take care. We'll take care all the steps for you. And one of the important advantages we are giving to you is that you will be given a free documentation and consultation until your examination. So it is a major stress-free environment for you so that you can easily prepare your examination. And after all, you will be given a lifetime access to our contents. That's a great advantage, I think. So please do enroll in Skill Expo Master Course. And when coming to civil engineering, we have categorized the sectors into these major sections, which is construction material, analysis, soil mechanics and foundation, fuel mechanics. So we'll be dealing with what are the weightage on the next slide. I'll go to. And first of all, we'll talk about the construction material. Construction material, you'll be getting 2 questions, and analysis will be getting 5 questions. Soil mechanics, you'll be getting 3 questions. Fluid mechanics 2, traffic engineering 3, environmental engineering 2, surveying 2, contracts 2, hydrology 1, project management 4, RCC and earthwork combinedly you'll be getting 2 questions. So on seeing this, the major thing we have to concentrate is analysis, project management. So these subjects will be having a higher weightage, and also you have to concentrate on hydrology surveying, because hydrology, contract surveying, these are easy subjects, so that you can get good marks in it. Even though it is having 2 or 1 questions, you can easily answer those questions when compared to other subjects. So based on these weightage, we'll be covering the subject, and we'll be giving a clear-cut idea on what are the major areas you have to cover and what are the minor areas you have to concentrate. That will be a greatest advantage while clearing the examination. And this slide will give you a idea of how the subjects have been scattered on based on the percentage level. And once again, I want to emphasize why you want to clear this UPDA MMUP examination, because on 2014 onwards, Qatarian government is emphasizing on clearing this examination, but 2019 onwards, they have made us a mandatory for your license renewal, for your family visa renewal. You have to clear this examination ASAP. So I would recommend all the engineers to clear this examination as soon as possible to have an ease living. And these are the examination pattern I would like to give some idea about. And in examination, this examination is a computer-based examination, and it's a multiple choice question. There's nothing but an objective type question. In this multiple choice question, you'll be provided with 4 options. You have to select one right answer. Okay, and you are provided with 25 questions or 27 questions based on the examination you're appearing. And if you are getting a 25 questions, you have to answer 13 questions as a right answer, and 27 questions you have to give 14 questions as a right answer, so that you have to clear this examination. And each question will be carrying 4 marks, and no negative marks will be given. I think that is the major criteria you have to look into it. Okay, there is no negative marks. So, and this since we are civil engineers, we have to concentrate on our discipline subject, and also project management is common for every discipline. And while solving the sums, you can access system calculator. You will be provided with very small calculation, not a serious calculation. So system calculator will be fine and it will be easy for you. And after finishing your examination, you will be provided your results as well. So you have to wait there. And if you cleared the examination, you have to pay 300 real so that they'll be giving you license immediately. Okay, I think I've given you a good idea about on this. And the examination will be conducted at Baldia office, which is located in Doha Municipal Building, B Ring Road. And I've given you the location of that building here. If you want, you can check it out. And these are the required documents you have to carry along with you for your examination. First of all, a valid Qatarian ID you have to have, and degree certificate you should provide, and consolidated mark sheet you should provide. Some universities will not be providing the consolidated mark sheet. If at all you don't have any consolidated mark sheet, please go with your transcripts, and each semester mark sheet you need to furnish, and PCC, which is nothing but police clearance certificate, you have to provide. Curriculum vitae, photo, passport, these are the things you have to provide to them. And additional documents, like if you have any experience over there, you should provide that also. And if you undergone any training, you should provide that also. And these are the useful links we thought it will be useful to you. And if you want to go through something, please and visit these websites, so you'll get a clear idea of what the examination, how the examination will be. Okay. And finally, if you have any doubts and if you want to consult us, please do mail us at info@skillexpert.com. If you want to call us, please do call to that number. You will be provided with good guidance. And if you have any queries about the subjects and enrollment and what are the syllabus you'll be having, please log on to our website www.skillexpert.com. So please do feel free to contact us. And at last, I would convey my wishes to all of you to please clear this examination ASAP, that on your first attempt. Please do enroll on Skill Expo. Thank you.